Ladies and gentlemen,
Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to the channel. So we're going to be getting our own engineer ready for her graduation party. The brief was to just keep it something simple but still looking very good. Okay, so we're going to achieve that in today's video. So I've gone ahead to adjust her brows. Okay, still keeping it in its natural shape and form, just taking off excess hairs. So I'm gone ahead now to clean, okay, and hydrate. Then afterwards I did go in to moisturize and prime. These were all the skin prep steps that I use: cleanse, hydrate, moisturize and prime. I do have a detailed video on this. I'll leave it in the description bar, so go ahead and get that in depth. Now for foundation, you would notice that the foundation is a bit dark. I'll explain. Now her face and her chest have the same shade, but the rest of her body they're so dark. Okay, she's actually dark skin, not so dark, but you know, she just have a lighter face and chest area. So what I did is match the foundation to her entire body. That is why it is looking this way, because I know that I was going to conceal. Okay, now to conceal, I'm going to use her exact shade on the chest. That way it balances out the makeup. Professional tips. You're welcome.
from the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste.
If you have not yet, please go ahead and like this video, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this.
That would make you smile. I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles.
Now for powder, I like to go in with my pressed powder to set the highlighted areas. Okay, now remember the brief was to look good. Now for highlighting, I would have gone in with a lighter shade of powder to set that, but I did go in with a shade darker, just so it balances out her shade match all over her skin. Okay, you can see what I'm telling you, so it's all coming together nicely. Right, so we didn't go in with cream blush or cream contour. We're doing dry contour and powder blush. So we're just chiseling out the face. Okay, I like to always follow my clients' brief. If they say extra, I give extra. If they don't, I stick to keeping it very simple, but they still look very good.
When I found you, that I would find a love so true, and you can see it in my eyes. That girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby.
All right, so you can see she approves of that. So right now I'm going to set the under eye. I just place the powder on top. I don't press it in because I'm just baking to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow. Okay, this is basically what I'm doing. So next I'm going to go in with eyeshadow. Now for eyeshadow, I'm using my Blossom eyeshadow palette. This is the best eyeshadow palette that I've used, honestly. It's been serving me, so I don't even bother going to buy any new releases. So I went in first with a brown base, then I set it with the brown eyeshadow from the palette. That's all I did for the eyes. So next I went in with my glitter glue and I applied Pinkish. Pinkish is the name of the glitter that I use. It's a whitish pinkish kind of look, so I just put that on the base because I know you can see that it doesn't look like much on here, but you can see it is actually popping. So the brown base kind of tones it down, but the glitter still pops. You get that's exactly what the client wants. So I've gone ahead to do the liner, her eyeliners, and now we're going to the lips. This look was very early in the morning because she had to meet up with her Thanksgiving. And a nude lip, then I added a bit of pink in the center of the lips, just to make sure the lips pops even more to match her outfit because she put on the pink. So I went ahead to do her brows, do some finishing touches. So let me allow you watch this. Please go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. Now I know the motherhood chit chat video is not here yet. Don't worry, we're coming back to that. It's kind of a new niche for me that I was stepping into, so I really didn't know how you all were going to receive it, and I didn't know how to express myself better. But you can tell the difference when I'm explaining makeup and I'm talking about motherhood advice and all of that. Exactly. So it's a new phase for me, and I'm still learning to put together words for all the experiences I've had in the journey. So I'm still working on those contents. So please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and until the next video, please do make sure to stay beautiful. Enjoy.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you.